Connect the dots of the same colors without crossing any lines and without exiting the white square. I will show you an answer in 15 seconds, but if you would need more time, you can pause the video.
Move only 3 lines from one position to another to make only 3 squares. I will show you a solution in 15 seconds.
First, you need to remove 2 lines to make 3 squares. Second, remove 2 lines to make 2 squares. I will show you solutions in 30 seconds. This is the solution for the first task. And this is the solution for the second task. You can see one small and one big square. Move only one line from one position to another to make a square. I will show you a solution in 20 seconds. But if you need more time, you can pause the video. Here is the solution. You can see the small square.
Measure 15 minutes by using 11 and 7 minutes sand timers. I will show you a solution in 10 seconds, but feel free to pause the video. First, let's turn around both sand timers. After 7 minutes, the sand timer on the right has finished, while the one on the left still has 4 minutes remaining. Second, let's turn around only the right sand timer. After 4 minutes, the sand timer on the left has finished, while the one on the right still has 3 minutes remaining. Third, let's turn around only the right sand timer again. After 4 minutes, we can get in total 15 minutes.